So over here, you can see that I have a list of names right here. And let's say what I need to do is I need to go around and divide the first and last names into separate columns so that I can keep it in a table. So in that case, I need to go around and select out all the names and then copy this out right here. And then I can utilize Copilot and type in this prompt. So I can say I am going to send a list of names in the next message. Make sure to make a table with first name and last name and divide the first name and last names from the list that I send right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and type in this prompt right here, it says, certainly, please go ahead and share the list of names. I'll create a table with first names and last names separated. So let me just go around and paste out these names right here and press enter. So once I do that right here, just like this, you can see that there's Evelyn Frost right here and there's Evelyn Frost, as you can see right here. And in a table format, it divided the first name and the last name as this, just like this. So it says, if you need any further assistance, feel free to ask right here, just like this. And that is how you can go around and divide first name and last name inside of Microsoft Copilot. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.